Alright, so one of the first ways that ChatGPT is going to help you with a dropshipping business is that it can help you find a winning product to sell. So as you can see, I've just logged into my account, and I'm sure by now most of you already know exactly how to sign up for an account if you don't already have one. It's just going to be a simple case of going over to chat.openai.com, verifying your email address and verifying your phone number, and it's going to be completely free to use. But the way that I use it when it comes to finding a winning product is that I just come over here, start a brand new chat, and ask it something along the lines of, can you tell me 10 evergreen non-branded items that I can start selling? Now, the reason why I specifically said evergreen items is because I want to make sure that it's going to tell me items that I'm going to be able to continuously keep selling over the long term. And the reason why I asked it to tell me non-branded items is because it's really difficult when it comes to trying to source these type of products. So I like to make sure that I'm going to find generic items that I'm going to be able to put my own logo on it, and from there I'm going to be able to scale that particular dropshipping product. But once you have asked it whatever question that you want to ask it, all you simply need to do is just click on enter, and as you can see, it's gone straight to work to let me know all of these different items that I can go away and do a little bit more research into. And if we just take a look at number 7 over here, which is outdoor gear, things like camping equipment, hiking gear, and fishing gear. But what I do from this point is just copy the first keyword, which is camping, and then head over to Google Trends, and then simply paste it in there just like that. And for those of you that don't know exactly what Google Trends is, it's a website that's going to be able to let you know whether or not the search term that you're searching for is a popular one for you to kind of get an indication on if it's worth you building a dropshipping business around these type of items. Because for example, if I just click on enter, as you guys can see, in the United States since 2004, people have been going onto Google every single year around the same time, which is around April, May, June, July, to search for this particular keyword, which means that it's not necessarily an evergreen item that people are searching for all year round. But right now that we're in March, it means that if we was to build a store around items to do with camping, over the next few months, we're going to be able to ride the trend up because we can see that it's a consistent thing that's been happening year after year after year. But of course, from this point, you need to make sure that you're going to find a supplier that's going to be able to source you with items from this particular category. And there's so many different suppliers out there, but one that I've been looking at recently is this one over here called USA Drop. Because if you are looking to drop ship items to customers within the US, they're going to be able to offer around 2 to 4 day shipping time, which is obviously really good. And we can also see here that they're shipping out over 60,000 daily packages, and in total they've shipped out over 80 million different packages. So if you are considering to dropship using a Shopify website, you're going to be able to integrate USA Drop directly to your website, which is going to make the whole process even easier. And to quickly show you guys exactly how it works, once you've created a free account by clicking the link in my description down below, this is a similar page to what you're going to see. And from this stage, if you do want to see the products that are available when it comes to being able to offer quick delivery to your customers within the US, you need to click on this option over here. And as you can see, there's all of these different items available, and there's all of these different pages that you can check out. But of course, in this case, we're looking at items to do with camping. So I'm just going to type in the keyword in this section over here. And as we can see, there's these 3 different items that are available in their US warehouse. So I'm just going to click on this first one by clicking on view details. All right, so this is what the item is. It's basically a durable, waterproof outdoor camping hammock. And USA Drop is claiming that they're going to be able to get it to the customer within 1 to 3 days, which is obviously really, really good. But what I personally do from this point, because I intend to use Google Shopping ads when it comes to getting potential customers onto my website, is that I like to go back onto Google Trends and make sure that this specific item is being searched for. And as we can see over here, I've already typed in camping hammock, and we can see that roughly around the same time every single year, around March, April, May, June. Same thing happened in 2013, March, April, May, June. Every single year, customers are going onto Google to search for this particular item. And just taking a quick look at the Google Shopping page, I've just typed in the keyword of the item right here, and we can see all of these different stores that are currently selling all of these different hammocks. But if we just scroll down slightly, there's this store over here that's selling the exact same one or a very similar one to the one that we can start drop shipping now, and they're selling it for around $100. And it also states that they're going to be able to get it to the customer almost 3 weeks from now. And of course, if we was to drop ship this item, we're going to be able to get it to them much quicker. And the main point that I'm trying to make with this is that we're going to be able to charge a lot more than what this seller's charging. We're most likely going to be able to charge around $129, maybe $130, which means that the potential profit based on the price that they're selling the item for is going to be really, really good. And once you have found whatever item that you're looking to test out and you're looking to start dropshipping, it's going to be a simple case of clicking on import product over here. And once you do go through the step-by-step process of installing the USA Drop app from the Shopify app store and making sure that everything is connected, you're going to be able to then go through the description, go through all of the different variants, go through the images, remove any images that you don't want, remove any variants that you don't want to sell. In this case, there's only one. Update your description, make sure that you put all the information that you want to put, and then simply simply click on import to store. And once you have done that, that's when the product is now going to be available on your store for customers to start buying. Alright, so swiftly moving on to the second way that you're going to be able to utilize the power of ChatGPT when it comes to helping you generate profits with a dropshipping business is with email marketing. And for those of you that don't really understand exactly what email marketing is, this is simply the process of you collecting all of your visitors' email addresses as well as your customers, adding all of them into an email list, and then sending them out valuable emails every so often about any offers, any discounts, any information about the products that you're selling. This is something that I've been doing with all of my different e-commerce stores, and it's helped me generate hundreds of thousands of dollars across multiple different brands. And there's so many different apps that you can connect to your Shopify store to help you with this, but one of the apps that I use is this one over here called Privy. And as you can see, I've been able to generate $22,000 from a brand new store by simply using email marketing. And the way that this app works is that you're going to be able to set things up so that whenever someone goes onto your website, a pop-up is going to appear and ask for their name and their email address. And once they enter in their details, automatically they're going to get added to that email list. And just to give you a quick example of how this works, there's this store over here and they sell various different smartwatches. And as you can see, I've just gone onto their website like a normal customer, and this pop-up has now appeared, letting me know that I'm going to be able to save 15% if I enter my name and my email address. So if we just jump back onto Privy, click on convert, click on all displays. From this point, you're going to be able to simply create the discount pop-up. There's so many different options that you can choose from. And once you have decided on whichever one you want, you're then going to be able to click on automations. We're then going to be able to automate 3 different emails that are going to get sent out to everyone that has joined our email list. And we're going to be able to change the settings over here. If we want it to get sent out straight away, we can do that for the first email. The second email, we can change it by clicking on these different options. And to show you a quick example of exactly how ChatGPT can help you with this, if we just jump back over to it and start a new chat and ask it something along the lines of, I want to set up a 3-part welcome email series for an e-commerce camping brand. Can you give me an outline for the 3 emails, including a call to action in the final email? And then click on enter. And within a matter of seconds, it's been able to come back and give me an idea of exactly what emails I should use, how I should do it, for me to be able to increase my chances of being able to turn someone from a non-paying customer into a paying customer. So from this point, once I've looked over these different outlines, I can then ask ChatGPT to write each of these 3 different emails in full. And it's going to be a simple job of me going back onto Privy, editing the email just like this, and then pasting in the email that ChatGPT gave me right here, editing all of this information, updating all of the images, doing the same thing for the remaining emails, clicking on activate, so that whenever a new customer gets added to the email list, whether it's next week, next month, next year, whenever it is, I'm going to be able to generate a passive source of income, all because I'm simply doing email marketing and also utilizing the power of ChatGPT so that I don't have to sit there and write the emails myself. But of course, there's so much more that goes into making money online with a dropshipping business. I just wanted to give you guys the basic things that I wish I knew to get me onto the path of being able to make $1,000 in profit every single day a lot sooner. But if you wanted to watch a completely free webinar where I explain my story in a little bit more detail, then you can watch that free webinar by clicking the first link in the description down below. Or if you rather watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago where I break down step by step everything you need to know when it comes to starting a dropshipping business as a complete beginner, then make sure you click the link right there. Check that out straight after this one because it's already helped out so many people and I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.